Hey guys, it's great to be back here on my channel. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that is highly relevant to anyone who is interested in freelancing or offering their services online, creating and setting up a Fiverr account in 2023. Fiverr is a platform that connects freelancers and clients from all over the world. It is a great place for people to showcase their skills and expertise and find clients who are willing to pay for their services. With millions of users and a variety of services offered, Fiverr is the perfect place to start your freelance journey. In this video, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the steps involved in creating and setting up your Fiverr account. We'll be covering everything from creating your account and setting up your profile, to creating your first gig and promoting your services. We'll also be discussing some best practices for success on the platform. So, let's get started. Segment 1: Creating your account. The first step to getting started on Fiverr is to create your account. This is a relatively simple process that involves providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you've created your account, you'll have access to all the features and services offered on the platform. Segment 2: Setting up your profile. Once you've created your account, it's time to set up your profile. This is one of the most important steps in the process, as your profile is essentially your storefront on the platform. You'll want to make sure that your profile is complete and professional, and that it showcases your skills and expertise. When setting up your profile, you'll need to provide a profile picture, a description of your services, and your rates. You can also include other information such as your portfolio, client reviews, and other relevant details that will help you stand out from the competition. Once your profile is set up, it's time to create your first gig. A gig is essentially a service that you're offering to clients on the platform. When creating your gig, it's important to be as detailed as possible in your description of the service you're offering. You'll want to make sure that your gig description is clear and concise, and that it outlines exactly what services you'll be providing to clients. It's also important to set a fair price for your services based on your level of experience and the market demand. Segment 4: Promoting your services. Now that your profile is set up and you have a few gigs listed, it's time to start promoting your services. There are several ways you can do this, such as sharing your Fiverr profile on social media or reaching out to potential clients directly. You can also consider investing in Fiverr's paid advertising options to increase your visibility on the platform. It's important to remember that promoting your services is an ongoing process. You'll want to continually update your profile and your gigs, and you'll need to be responsive to client inquiries and requests. Segment 5: Best practices for success. Finally, there are a few best practices that you should follow to ensure success on Fiverr. These include being responsive to clients, delivering high-quality work, and maintaining a positive reputation. You should also be open to feedback and willing to make adjustments to your services as needed. In addition, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in your field. This will help you to stay ahead of the competition and to offer your clients the best possible service. Well, there you have it, a complete guide on how to create and set up a Fiverr account in 2023. With these tips and practices, you'll be well on your way to building a successful freelance career on the platform. But remember, success on Fiverr doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and dedication to build a strong reputation and attract clients. So be patient and stay committed to providing high-quality services to your clients. Before we wrap up, I'd like to remind you to click the subscribe button below to stay updated on all of my latest videos. And if you have any questions or comments about creating and setting up a Fiverr account, please leave them in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.